I'm Helen Beckett, editor of the Business Value Exchange here at Discover London. Everywhere I've gone today, I've been hearing about the end-to-end automation of supply chains, and nowhere is there a bigger or more comprehensive task than in the arena of freight management and logistics. So really fortunate to have with us today Paolo Santoni, who's Vice President of CEVA Logistics.
It's a great pleasure to be here and explain a little bit our vision towards this disruptive technology. I think that this is very important to our business in terms of logistics to provide visibility, and digitalization is a real technology that can help us in order to give visibility to our customer, get benefit to our folks, get better processes, and of course help the environment to be better, because of course giving these tools we can have better processes.
I know you partnered with Enterprise Services a few years ago to help you on this big challenge, and that one of the challenges is kind of that complete re-engineering of the supply chain.
Correct.
You wanted to make parties more visible, and you want to get efficiencies as well.
Yeah, I think both of the things are very important to me. The first is, as you said, in 2008, we sent out an RFP, and Enterprise Services has been awarded to re-engineer the full transportation process. That means to us, you know, re-engineering is a nice word that means everything. No? So to me it's more something that can help IT and business to work together in order to make sure to have the right process in place. That means also to have a full integration of application stack, data integration, and of course our customer. Enterprise Services helped us in order to get this, let me say, a roadmap in this playground, because it's very important to do, first to me, to have the governance of these tools, because you know, it's like on a sailing boat, you need to steer the company towards some specific target. And that's why, step by step, we need to do this exercise together. I want to underline this point and that date because in 2010, that was the first step for us in order to launch two important projects. The first one is we created the first, let me say, customer experience portal in 2010 that aimed to link customer to customer. So again, something that is very important and that is still not now available in the business-to-business arena. And the second point, we launched the control tower that, leveraging on the fact that we re-engineer the process, so we take the control and the governance of our transportation network, we were able to give to our, let me say, internal customer a tool, the control tower, where you can sit and see all the flows of goods, transport and things, all information is around.
That sounds like a really powerful feature that you're giving your customers,
Yes.
being very customer focused. You're giving control back to the customer,
Yes.
using data analytics in that, and as you say, an entire business process re-engineering which describes a vast sort of array of
Absolutely.
things. What
Yes.
role is big data and analytics played in all that?
As yesterday somebody said that innovation does not go alone, needs an ecosystem. Again, nice words to say, ecosystem. That means that going back to the point of big data, you need nowadays the mathematical technologies are now enhanced, but you need also a mix of knowledge in terms of skills in analytics, statistics, and in order to get also the business model you want to achieve. That's why, again, big data is a raw data, but then you have to extract and take action on that.
I mean, Paolo, as you described, it's a very big and ambitious project. I imagine in your industry, kind of freight management, logistics, it must involve so many different parties and kind of types of freight, planes, ships, bikes, I don't know. Yeah. Can you give an idea of how many customers are interacting along that supply chain and who it affects?
Yeah, I mean, more than customer, as you said, I think it's important to underline the fact that we integrate, as in the concept of chain, different actors that are used to arrange and work with different tools, like, let me say, ships, airs, grounds, so transportation. And this is a big challenge of everybody that is working in the supply chain. That's why it's important to have also simple things, easy to implement, and provide good tools to give these integration layers.
So it sounds like you were joined at the hip there with Enterprise Service on this very big digital journey for CEVA Logistics. Paolo Santoni, thanks so much for talking us through that today.
Thank you, Helen. Thank you.